Atmospheric rivers. The invisible rivers in the sky. Imagine a river larger than the Amazon. Not flowing across land. Not carving through mountains. But floating thousands of meters above your head. It may sound like science fiction, but these giant rivers in the sky are real, and they play a crucial role in supplying water to millions of people around the world. Welcome to the fascinating world of atmospheric rivers. Every day, enormous quantities of water evaporate from the world's oceans. As this moisture rises into the atmosphere, winds transport it across vast distances. Sometimes, this moisture becomes concentrated into long, narrow corridors stretching thousands of kilometers across the sky. Scientists call these phenomena atmospheric rivers. At this point, you might be wondering whether atmospheric rivers are the same thing as cloudbursts. The answer is no. An atmospheric river is a long, narrow corridor of water vapor stretching thousands of kilometers through the atmosphere. A cloudburst, on the other hand, is a sudden and extremely intense rainfall event that occurs over a relatively small area and often lasts only a short time. When atmospheric rivers encounter mountain ranges or cooler air masses, the water vapor begins to condense. Clouds form. Rain begins to fall. And sometimes, snowfall blankets entire mountain regions. This process provides a vital source of fresh water for many parts of the world. Reservoirs fill. Groundwater is replenished. Farms receive much-needed irrigation. Without these sky rivers, many regions would face severe water shortages. But atmospheric rivers have another side. When too much moisture arrives too quickly, the results can be devastating. Heavy rainfall can overwhelm rivers and drainage systems. Floodwaters can inundate cities. Landslides can destroy homes and infrastructure. Entire communities can find themselves facing natural disasters triggered by a phenomenon that began thousands of kilometers away over the ocean. Some of the most destructive floods in recent history have been linked to powerful atmospheric rivers. What makes them particularly challenging is the sheer amount of water they can deliver in a short period of time. Imagine months' worth of rainfall arriving within just a few days. As climate scientists continue studying these systems, an important question has emerged. How will climate change affect atmospheric rivers? The answer may be both fascinating and concerning. As global temperatures rise, warmer air can hold more moisture. This means future atmospheric rivers may carry larger amounts of water vapor. Some researchers believe that while atmospheric rivers may become less frequent in certain regions, the strongest events could become even more intense. In simple terms, future sky rivers may deliver more water when they occur. This could increase the risk of extreme rainfall and flooding in vulnerable areas. At the same time, regions that depend on atmospheric rivers for water supplies may face greater uncertainty. The balance between drought and flood could become more difficult to predict. Fortunately, modern technology is helping scientists understand these invisible weather systems better than ever before. Weather satellites monitor moisture movement across entire oceans. Advanced computer models track atmospheric rivers days before they make landfall. This allows meteorologists to provide early warnings, helping communities prepare for heavy rainfall and potential flooding. But despite all our technology, atmospheric rivers remain one of nature's most remarkable phenomena. Invisible, powerful, essential for life, yet capable of tremendous destruction. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories from science, technology, and the natural world. The video world.